Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I told you about the best websites from where you can learn a particular skill, particular premium skills which we are talking about in our video. So guys, uh, welcome to today's video. In this video, I will teach you about the best websites from where you can learn SQL language. SQL is structured query language, which is a database language. So it is very important to learn this language. So guys, to learn about databases and their languages. So guys, as you know, our video format, first of all, we will go to fiverr.com and then we check the demand and competition of that skill and then we move towards our websites. So guys, let's get started. First of all, I will go to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplaces from where you can sell your services online and earn money through it. So I write here SQL and let's see. As you can see, there is only 3,695 gigs available and this is not a huge competition. This is a normal competition. So let's analyze 3 gigs and then move towards our websites. So I open this gig, and this. So let's get started. The first gig 9.3, 93, 49, 4.9 reviews. Tanzil Ali from Pakistan. In 50 basic, he charged 15. I will write SQL Server Postgres SQL query for you. Basic writing queries with comments and explanation. $15 is standard. He charged $35 standard writing queries with comments and explanation. In premium, he charged $90. Premium writing complex and much more difficult queries with comments and explanation. Great. You can also check out his profile and his gig description, his portfolio, and compare packages and some FAQs if he put it, but not. So overall this is a good description and this is a good gig, so you can take it as an example and make your gigs according to it, but do not copy anything from it. So guys, let's move towards our second website, which is called Muhammad Talha. He is again from Pakistan. I will do SQL queries, SQL database project, diagram. Okay, in basic he charged $20, in standard he charged $80, in premium he charged $160. That's great. And you can also check out his profile, description, and compare his packages. And if he put FAQs, you can check out his FAQs. You can check out his reviews. And I think he completed 687 orders. That's great. And he got 379 5-star reviews. That's a great seller. So guys, I think that's it for this gig. Let's move towards our last gig and then we will go to website part. I will do database design task and project with SQL queries. Sohail Nasir, he's also from Pakistan. 449 orders completed. Basic he charged $10. Standard he charged 20. Premium he charged 25. And he is also a good gig and he earned and some amount of money through it. You can check out his profile, his gig description for take an idea, but do not copy his gig description. Take an idea and make your own. After that, you can compare his packages, you can see his portfolio and check out his reviews and read the reviews for that authentication. And that's it. So I think our gig part is over now, Fiverr part is over now. So I close this one and let's move towards our websites. So the first website from where we can learn SQL is w3school.com. This is a great website and you can learn this structured query language from here. These are the SQL tutorials and you can learn read it one by one and you will become a SQL developer. So the first website is this. Let's move towards our second website, which is called sqlzoo.net. These are also SQL based tutorials. You can check out these tutorials one by one, and when you complete it, you become a SQL engineer. So the last website for learning SQL is mode.com/SQL tutorials. Welcome to SQL tutorials. Get started. So I click on get started. These are the tutorials and You can also write these tutorials one by one and read these tutorials one by one. And when you complete it, you will be, hopefully, you will be good uh, SQL programmer. Basic SQL, then go to intermediate, advanced SQL analysis trainings. So this is the last website. So I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.